This little boy scrapbook kit is absolutely adorable. There are so many great themes on here. Teddy bears, spaceships, dragons, pirate ship. Here are the stickers. There are borders down here. Lots of great icons, wonderful sayings. Let me show you some of the papers. There are stars, dots, more stars, shooting stars, regular polka dots. Oh my goodness, look at these beautiful colors. Lots of primary colors, perfect for little boy pages or paper crafting projects, cards. There are banners and pennants. There are stacks of books. There's a red gingham, and let's turn these papers over because they are double-sided. So we have stars, arrows, there's outer space, there's cars. Oh my goodness, so many, lots of cutout sheets. Learn more each day. Here comes the cool kid. So many great papers in this. This is gonna be a great kit.